Hey, good morning. How you doing? Happy Thursday, everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful and a blessed morning. All right. First and foremost, we want to give God the glory, the honor, and all the praise. Thank you, Jesus, for waking me up this morning. I thank you. Now, as you can see, we're back in the kitchen, and I'm going to be doing some fried dumpling and saltfish this morning for breakfast. So I am going straight into the preparation right now. All right, so I'm making my dough for my fried dumpling. Everything already added. I had some baking powder, my salt, and I also had a little sugar. The sugar give it a nice taste. All right, so that's it for my dough right there. We also prep up some season over there. Over there we have some onion, we have some pepper, we have some bell pepper as well, and we have some tomato over there, and some fresh scallion, and some fresh thyme, I should say, over there. All right. So yeah, we're going over to the pot now. We're gonna set the pot, start up the fried dumpling. All right. Show your pot having enough oil for your dumpling, right? Yeah. All right. I use this one and I mix it with this vegetable oil. Oh my God. That's the result I get. Anyways, okay. Nevertheless, they're frying. We're gonna turn them. Wow, looking so nice. Look at that color. Y'all see those nice, beautiful color right there? Yeah. All right. Looking beautiful already. All right, so we're giving it time. In the meantime, I'm looking about the codfish over here. All right, give that some time to fry nice and proper. All right. All right, so in the meantime, we're waiting on those beautiful fried dumpling over there. We're gonna make the codfish. All right, have some oil in the pot, a little oil. I know we don't want to consume too much oil. We don't want to, no cholesterol over here. So yeah, so we use reasonable amount of oil for the dumpling because them have to fry properly. All right, so I'm gonna add my vegetable in. So first I'm going down with my onion, my scotch bonnet, and my bell pepper going down as well. My tomato and my scallion going in as well. Alright. This is what's going on in the pot. So we just want the vegetables to cook up nice and proper. Then we add the codfish. Alright, so giving this some time to cook up nice and properly. About 3 minutes to cook nice. And then we add the codfish or the salt fish, right? So I go ahead and I flip my dumpling them on the side, because you want it to fry nice and properly. So you flip them on the sides, yeah. All right, and after let us take a look in this pot over here. Let's see what's going on. All right, looking nice and good. So at this time, we're gonna add the codfish in. All right, as you can see, the vegetable is nicely cooked already. So we're gonna add the codfish to this now. Alright, so that's what's going on in there now. Already I had the codfish. So I had the codfish, and that is what's going on in the pot right now. So we're gonna allow this to cook for another 3 minutes, because you know the codfish already boil out already, so it's already cooked. So we're gonna allow it to cook down with the season for another 3 minutes, and then we're ready to go. I'm gonna add a little black pepper. Alright. Alright peeps, the dumpling finished fried, so I'm gonna remove them from the pot right now. Look how nice and golden these dumplings. Wow, so beautiful. Peeps, talk truth, look at these beautiful dumplings, looking so nice and golden. Yes, and I can tell you these are very delicious as well. Inside here the codfish is finished as well, so we're going to serve breakfast. All right, so stay tuned. Breakfast is ready, my peeps. Look at this awesome breakfast, super nice and delicious. Y'all see that? Yes, we're gonna consume this lovely breakfast now. Y'all see that, peeps? Super nice. Yeah, from my kitchen to yours, have a wonderful, blessed, and productive day. Stay blessed, my peeps.